What's up guys, Steve Petrano here, along with Mr. Derek Sockleven. We're from the Blade team, and today we have a very exciting announcement product that is the Inductrix Pro. Now guys, this is a kind of a generation ahead of where the current Inductrix is. We've done a lot of changes, a lot of performance increases, and I think you're really going to like it. The first thing first here, Derek, let's talk a little bit about the frame.
So the frame that you'll notice here has some additional durability improvements from the last frame. It is all black now. It is shot in a different material, and these struts here in the front and in between the motor pods really add some nice durability, and you'll see with the new material it's nice and flexible while still being rigid in flight. There is some additional ribbing up under in the motor struts, so you'll notice that that's going to be a lot more durable also. With the other improvements that we've done to the frame is a little bit heavier, but with everything else the overall profile is considerably lighter.
Yeah, so the next thing we did was we went to a much more powerful motor. Now this is still a brush system, so it's still going to use the same batteries as before, but now we have a 19,000 kV motor, whereas like the old Inductrix or the current Inductrix FPV is 12,000 kV. So the power there, you're going to have a lot more mid-range, a lot more top end, and you're going to have a lot more power for doing that freestyle, be able to pull out of a dive, pull out of a roll, and that sort of thing, whereas you couldn't really do that before. And so let's talk about the camera. Derek, what do we got on here?
So the camera on here is an FX805 camera. This is really popular amongst the guys that are kind of building and modifying the current Inductrix FPV. It is lighter. It does have a little bit different profile, so it does stand up. And you notice that allows us to use this really nice, light, small canopy on the back. So there's no bulky canopy on this to cover it up. It's just, the camera. This kind of sits here on the back for a nice racer-esque kind of feel to it, and it works really good. The video quality is great.
Yeah, that camera is pretty spectacular. There's no buttons to hit if you hit the ceiling. You got the adjustable camera or adjustable channels on the side of the camera, so you can pick any channel you need. And that canopy, like you said, you can rip it off in flight, get a little extra, a gram probably. Probably not even a gram of weight reduction. Yep. But you can rip that canopy off. It even comes with an optional canopy, a blue one, so you can customize your own. And so overall, a huge improvement of what the current Inductrix is, and a lot more similar to what those guys that are doing their own custom builds are. So that's it, guys. Derek, let's go have a flight.
Yeah, let's do it.